But Jay, we're back with another video. In this video, we're gonna set up a Google Ads campaign. It's exactly like Microsoft campaign. A lot of people been requesting this video, so let's go ahead and get into it. First thing first, create you a new Google Ads account. We're gonna do website traffic, search website. There we go. Hit up the Click Magic. This. Let's see. Tracking links. The product we're going to promote is called Sight No Gut. You can find this product on both Digistore and clickbank. Going to use this website right here. There we go. Continue. Campaign name, Sight No Gut. Uncheck this, uncheck this. Gonna do enter locations, United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, New Zealand. Scroll down, budget, we'll do $50 a day. I'll do clicks, set maximum clicks. We're gonna do $3.50 per click. Save and continue. Add group 1. Erase all these. Gonna go to our keyword tool. Keyword match type tool. Got this right here. We can do Sight No Gut. Order Sight No Gut. Buy Sight No Gut. Sight No Gut supplement. Sight No Gut order. Where can I buy Sight No Gut? Exact match. Grab these. Paste that in here. New ad group. I'm gonna do Sight No Gut review. Sight No Gut views. Sight No Gut scam. Sight No Gut complaints. Sight No Gut customer reviews. Exact match, grab those. That in here. Save and continue. You can do Sonic official website. What's our discount? We got 82% off. 82% off today only. Free shipping, order now. Pin this to the first, position 1, position 2, position 3. You can go grab some headline descriptions. Let's see. You can do 100% safe, secure. Use this whole row. Right, description. Hitting that. In this description too. Do special offer. Do this right here. We're going to 82% instead of 85%. Tracking template. Grab our clickbank tracking template. Copy. Paste right there. / keyword / add device. Wow. Yeah, there we go. Done. Now, the second one we can do side node tech view. And that 1. And it's the 2. And it's the 3. Do the same thing. 82% off. Today only. Free shipping. Order now. And the same description. Got this. Pin this to the top. This to the bottom. Grab this. This to the bottom. Change this to 82%. Val. Tracking template. Do the same thing. Grab this. Paste that. / keyword. Close. Query. Device. Close. And we're done. Save and continue. And I'm not going to show you guys my payment info. I don't want to release my credit card information, but as you can see, it's the same way to set it up. Same as that way, nothing different. You guys can do the same setup. It's just like Microsoft Bing ads. But in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram @JWillTV. You guys have a good day.